Hey, what's up, guys? Jason Hopkins here, providing you with some helpful tips on how for you to get started in building email lists for your business. Now, with email marketing, it has been one of the biggest, successful tools by some of the, most top marketers in this industry. I can't stress enough how important it is for you to, start learning how to build your own list utilizing email marketing. Um, Most people that are starting out, doing network marketing, you know, when building a business, they're making, one mistake, and that mistake is, when they hard sell someone, you know, whenever you're connecting with someone online, whether it's Facebook or Twitter, you got to start learning how to build relationships with that person. You know, you must um You must target that person's pains, problems, and challenges. It's not about what you want. It's not about what you're selling. It's about them. So when you're building, an email list, you want to provide your leads with a lot of value. If your company, you promote has, free content, free training that helps, other, struggling network marketers, you know, the best lead magnet is the free online tools. So, and that's a good way to start building, your email list. And also, you will need you got to use other tools like an autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, and also SendLane. Aweber is one of the most popular ones that people are using right now. I've been using it for a couple of years now. So you definitely, you want to you want to get good at writing, emails to, get to have your list, get your just keep giving value and also following up with your list on a daily basis. If you want to, you want to be able to generate cash flow, get good at writing persuasive, and valuable content, you know, to your email list. The money is in the list, the fortune is in the follow up. I want you to write that one down, people. I'm going to say it again. The money is in the list, the fortune is in the follow up. Learn to get, out of your head and into your prospects. It's not about you, yourself, or your offer. It's about their thoughts and what value, they can get from what you offer. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you would like some more helpful tips and strategies that will take your business to the next level, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins, and I'll see you soon.